There's a like old ass like the old box like Little Caesars hot and ready pizza up here.
Alright guys, so we are standing outside the underwear capital of the world. 43 million garments yearly were being made in this building. And in fact, most of the US troops in World War II were actually most likely wearing underwear from this building. But anyways, this building opened up in 1900 and it later shut down in 1989 when new management took over. But look at this place, guys. But here we are outside of it. Love the water. Here with my friends.
Not your friends.
Ooh, yeah, I don't have friends. I have these fish. These fish are my friends. Awesome. We're going in. Yeah, here it is. So at one point, all of this was filled with sewing machines, which is crazy to think about. I don't think there's any sewing machines left behind. There's a bunch of cool graffiti. And there's this really cool elevator. That's so cool. I don't want to get in it because I'll probably fall. Someone tagged in there. Looks old though. So I can only imagine how many sewing machines were in here. Cause I believe it's like 5 stories. And it's like the size of a football field each story. So super crazy. So this looks like another elevator door. Some pink boxing gloves. It's kind of weird. But yeah, that's really cool. Oh, Converse shoe. So yeah, some of these floors are really bad. You can just see the destruction in here. Yeah, it's like walking on thin ice. You can feel the cracks. You can literally fall through the floor at any second. So this is cool. So it looks like there's a little elevator that would go up. See the button? Damn. Literally amazing here because around every corner, either there's missing floor, heroin needles. It's pretty hard to navigate. I thought I heard someone sneeze. I was about to freak out. This out, guys.
Is there a no smoking sign over here that I'm about to...
It's awesome. Yeah, it's straight. I might try to get up on the top roof. And then you can see how messed up the roof is up here. But we seem to be on the concrete part of it, which is cool. It's awesome. But yeah, I gotta get a picture of this, guys. Super cool. Yeah, let's it goes down to the other side.
Whoa, dude, it's a fucking slide.
Dude, slide down it. I always slide the pole down it. I'll slide something down it.
My pole, bro. You slide your pole down it. You slide down it, bro. It's your YouTube channel.
Bro, that's pretty sturdy.
Well, hit it then, son. If you hit it, I'll hit it too. But I'm not just gonna.
Bro,
slide
I'll give you $20 if you slide down
I'm
this.
not like hard up or anything, bro.
It's only like a pretty fucking far drop.
How about this? I'll record for you.
No, you're good.
When you do it.
You're good.
Nah, you're good, bro. There's definitely not a big ass.
No, there's not. It's just like the broken floor down there, which if you land, you're probably gonna like land on some nails.
And some glasses.
Yeah, and some glass.
You might go through.
Honestly, dude, do it.
Dude, don't look at me and say honestly, dude. Do it. You do it, bro.
I'm probably not gonna do. If I slide my, well, I want to slide my phone down. Yo, chill. No. Chill.
Hey, slide down, bro.
Not an exit.
Nick, aren't you gonna slide, bro?
No, I'm not, dude. That's so steep.
There is this one spot I want to go to. You want to go?
So I don't know why they put like a cage up, but that's really weird.
It's a textile factory, right?
Yeah, they made like.
All the fucking windows are black too. That's kind of weird.
But
anyways, let's go.
No, watch out for heroin needles. For sure. Some PBR.
Pretty fresh looking pack of M&Ms.
Yeah.
This is pretty straight.
Yeah, it looks like someone like hung up their blanket.
Yeah, it looks like someone was out here cold fucking chilling.
Yeah. There's a rug. Some clothes.
Yeah, dude, if you slid down that and that thing broke, come look at the fucking fall you would take.
Oh yeah, dude.
That's fucked up. Yeah, that's fucked up. That is chill. There's a fucking DVD case up here and shit.
Yeah, this is cool. Look at this view.
There's like a whole empty fucking handle of vodka.
Yep.
Someone's up here getting trash. Backpack.
gonna try to walk over here for you guys. So I wonder what these were for. It looks like a little tube. You'd send stuff down and it go down. It's crazy.
There's a like old ass like the old box like Little Caesars hot and ready pizza up here. Yeah, but fuck if you don't like me though. Like me though, like me, I'm invincible. I think that we need to go down the slide.
Someone should. I love that. The graffiti and the reflection of the water. Super cool. Yeah. I like the ghost one.
I like the magic cat right there. That was cool as fuck.
Yeah. That's back to the roof. Yeah, we need to go back.
I really think that you should slide down this. I feel like if you do it, you'll have really good YouTube footage and you might get famous. How do you get that car? It won't get him down there. It's pretty sturdy, dude.
It is pretty sturdy.
If you make it, I'll go.
There's just nothing supporting the middle.
There's nothing supporting the middle at all.
Bro.
And you might like hit that shit and like
$100.
Why would I pay you to do something?
I will pay you $100.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
I don't even think you give me $100.
I would give you $100.
I'm worried about this thing caving in. I weigh like 160 pounds. I'm worried about I'm worried about it hitting it and like the middle of it giving out.
It's for underwear.
Making that fall right there, and that's not even falling on something solid. It's like falling on a roof that has a hole in it. You'd be like, I just like can't see like chilling in the hospital for like a hot second, like being worth $100.
That's super weird. I was just like dead ended. Look at this maniac. This is why I don't bring you to these places.
It's not my fucking boss.
His ass is crazy. And he's Vegas. He's a well-respected Knoxville artist. You're giving me a damn anxiety attack. Yeah, I don't know, guys. What do you think? If this video does well, I swear I will get someone to slide down it. I don't know if I'm gonna slide down it because you can see the nails holding it together. Ah! He's trying to play golf with empty spray paint hands. He just threw a bra at me. It's disgusting. Thank you. Bro, that's disgusting. That's payback. Bro, please don't. Please don't. Please don't. No. Ah, he got me.
It was not half as sick as me.
He got me with the abandoned bra. But awesome, guys, that's pretty much a wrap. We've been all throughout this building. And honestly, this building's so cool. Some local Knoxville history. This place supported so many people, 3,500 people. I really feel like Knoxville wouldn't be the same without this building. And because of this building, Knoxville was the underwear capital of the world. Now I feel like it's like Taiwan or something, but awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching.